guys, welcome back to the channel GP's Garage. I'm Chris, this is GP, and that's my buddy Josh. Today it's not a installation video, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, this past weekend Josh and we install Badland ZXR 12,000 pound winch on GP. We didn't make a video, but I did post a couple pictures on my Instagram. But today we're actually gonna switch, or we're gonna do, I guess the switcheroo from steel cable that comes with it to a Badland synthetic rope. Just safer that way. And then, like I said, I've been wanting to do this and finally get the Badlands. And then, like I said, so we're just end up switching the synthetic rope, or to synthetic rope, because it's safer that way. But yeah, again, this is not an installation video or a step-by-step. It's just more like, hey, we're doing this, so I figure we'd make a video out of it, right? So it's gonna be fun. Like I said, it's hopefully you guys enjoy it, and or enjoy the process, see what we did. So all right, so we're gonna begin. Alright guys, just remember, when it's all out, make sure you disconnect the power to the battery for your winch so you don't get electrocuted. Just remember that if you're doing this, safety first.
Shape screw to pull it out. Remove the cable.
Cannot lose that, just remember. Alright, cool. Alright guys, steel cable is out. Ta-da. Alright guys, so we ran into a little problem right after we took off the steel cable. Right here, they're kind of heavy, but this is what it looks like when you take it off from the drum. We tried to put the winch, or I'm sorry, the synthetic rope into a little hole. It didn't work. According to the manufacturer guidelines, they're the same size, everything. All you have to do is just take the old one, take the the steel cable out, and then do a little thing, and then put the synthetic rope ends on the little hole in the drum, and then you should just be good to go. So, like I said, we ran into a problem. So what we had to do, actually, cut the ends of it on the synthetic rope. So we cut the end, we took off a couple of the strands, and then
Straight wrap.
yeah, and then we used the shrink wrap on like for wiring, and actually works pretty good. Yeah, so now the next step is putting the synthetic rope into the drums, and we have to do it in my driveway because we actually have to put a little tension, and we're gonna do some vehicle move around, just make sure we get the, you know, according to the box it's 80 feet long, so I'm hoping my driveway is long enough, and then we're gonna use Joss's Jeep as the weight, so make sure it's, you know, straight, and then make sure you get the right tension. So yeah, so hopefully it work out. We're gonna do it now.
Yep.
I'm pulling you, or are you pulling me? Okay. Well, it needs to be tighter though, isn't it? It needs to be tighter a bit. So that's it. Wind it up. Everything looks perfect. Thanks for Josh's help. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So see you guys till next time.